went into the woods and we searched around and we got some what's it called? Spruce pitch, and then we went over back here and boiled her down until she melted, and then we soaked her down on our cloth on our torches, and then we lit her up. Wasn't getting my way here. I'm getting some pitch to make a torch.
What?
This is some good stuff, Joe.
What are you doing, Liam?
Putting residue in there.
Residue?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that right here too? You had.
And for another piece of our torch, we're using cloth. Welcome back to the FBM Tour Journal. We're making torches, and we got our spruce residue stuff, and then we're gonna head back and make a torch. Can't currently.
It only took like 4 seconds. 4 real seconds.
What do you got there?
Stick from a torch. A torch. That's gonna be a torch. It's gonna be a torch. They used to make some like this back in the old days.
Boy, imagine.
Probably if anyone even
Alright, I'm gonna try out my torch, see how it lights. Whoa!
Alright, take it out. Let's see how she burns.
Whoa, look at that. That's
taken right away.
And then it's supposed to burn for a long time.
10 minutes. Down. Yeah, it doesn't need to be like.
I think mine looks best.
I don't think so. Mine wood's a little thicker and longer. Sorry, I used my sneeze and smoke to put it out in the wildfire.
What do you think, Liam?
I think this is pretty awesome. Didn't have torches.
I think this one's pretty good.